today I want to talk about how you can legitimately make money online by joining a company called Tranont. Tranont has been around since 2013, and it allows everyday people like you and me to make tens of thousands of dollars online promoting their high-quality products. They continue to have packed house conferences, and the momentum is growing. Inc. 500 in the recent magazine mentioned Tranont to be in the top 7% of all fastest growing new businesses. Why should you join Tranont? You need to get on this while it's an untapped gold mine of potential. It's so easy to join and start promoting Tranont's ever-expanding product line of high-quality products. You can get up to 35% commission on every single sale. You can promote a powerful multivitamin, enzyme blend, an incredible energy booster called Vibe. On the wealth side, they offer products such as the tax bot, which helps you take care of your mileage and keeps track of write-offs that you can have. They have re-credit, ID protection, tax services, mobile healthcare. There's so many high quality products to promote with Tranont. You could also get what's called their Jeep bonus, and this pays for you to have a Jeep. This is the moment. Thousands of people are coming to their conferences. It's expanding. It's in Canada, Puerto Rico, and the US now, and it's going to expand worldwide. You don't want to miss this and be the person that joined 5-10 years from now and make a lot less. Right now is a golden, ripe opportunity to make a ton of money promoting Tranont. When you're joining Tranont, it's not like you're joining something that you do by yourself. You're joining a team of people. You're never alone. And it's a group of people that take you by the hand and guide you, encourage you, and affirm you in your success. As you can see in this video clip, this is my uncle as he just hit the Jade level. He only had to promote to a couple people, getting them to join and promote Tranont's high quality products. And now he's on stage, getting his Jeep payment, leveling up to higher levels where you earn more and more money. My uncle's goal for Christmas is that he will be making $9,000 a month. $9,000 a month for just promoting high quality health, wealth products that you know everybody needs. So how do you get started with Tranont? Well, I've created a website called rampituplifestyle.com, and on our site, we show you how to get started with Tranont, all the incredible benefits, all the products you can promote, all the benefits to you when you start promoting and becoming a Tranont associate. And it's super easy. You simply click the link below, and then there will be a button in multiple parts of the page. And when you click that, all we need is either your email or your phone number, and we will contact you personally and guide you by the hand on how you can start succeeding, making money, getting your Jeep, and either having it as a side income or one day even quitting your job if this is something you want to do. Click the link below. I'm going to show you step by step how to make money using this amazing opportunity called Tranont. Join our team, start making money, get your Jeep, 35% commissions. You can promote Tranont online like we are doing in this video. You could promote Tranont just by talking to people on the street. You could promote it to your friends, your family, anyone who you think would need health, wealth products, or are just trying to make some extra money. Tranont really has it all. This is an amazing opportunity, guys. Do not miss it, because just a few years from now, so many people are going to join. It's going to become a saturated market, and this is the time to join. All right, thanks for watching this video, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share with friends, family, anyone you can think about. As soon as you leave a comment, I'm going to try to reply within 24 to 48 hours. And thanks for watching.